paneer lovers, this one's for you. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just craving something indulgent for your evening snack, these two recipes are going to be your new go-tos. We have the spicy saucy paneer satay sticks and the crunchy addictive Kurkure Paneer. Let's start with the paneer satay sticks. First, take paneer cubes and in a bowl, add corn flour, maida, red chili powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, some Szechuan chutney, a dash of tomato sauce and water. Mix this into a smooth marinade. Now coat the paneer cubes well and let them soak up all that flavor. Marinate them for about 30 minutes. Once marinated, heat some oil in a pan and fry the paneer cubes for 3 to 4 minutes until they are crisp and golden. Place them on a parchment paper to drain the excess oil. Now gently insert satay sticks into each paneer cube. These are looking like perfect party picks already. Time to make the magic sauce. Heat a little oil, saute garlic and peanuts till they are golden red. Now add in your sauce, Szechuan, soy, maybe a little ketchup and toss in the spices. Mix everything well. Now add in the fried paneer sticks and coat them in the delicious sauce. Let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes to absorb all those flavors. Serve them hot, garnish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Just take a look at that shine. Next up, everyone's favorite Kurkure Paneer. In a bowl, combine corn flour, maida, coriander powder, zeera powder, Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala, kasuri methi, salt and ginger garlic paste. Now add some water and whisk it into a smooth lump-free batter. In another bowl, crush some cornflakes into rough crumbs. This is going to give us that iconic crunch. Now take your paneer cubes, dip them into the batter and then roll them in the cornflake crumbs. Make sure they're fully coated. Now let them rest for 15 minutes so the coating sets well. Now deep fry them in hot oil until they are golden, crisp and irresistible. And there you go, Kurkure Paneer that's crunchy on the outside and soft inside. So there you have it, two incredible starters with paneer. Satay sticks packed with spicy sauce and Kurkure Paneer with unbeatable crunch. Try them out and let us know your favorite. For more such easy recipes, like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.